Jonathan Neman, the co-founder of the restaurant empire Sweetgreen, discusses the recent announcement of the shift towards using extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil in their cooking. This decision was made in response to the growing demand for healthier food options and the increasing awareness of the impact of food on health. Neman explains that the decision to shift away from seed oils towards extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil was driven by the company's commitment to providing the healthiest food options for their customers. The shift was also a response to the changing consumer demand for more transparency and healthier ingredients in their food. The company's focus on quality and transparency has been a key pillar of their ethos since the beginning. Neman emphasizes the importance of understanding the nuances of different oils, including their fatty acid profiles, smoke points, and how they are used in cooking. He acknowledges that the topic of seed oils is nuanced and that there are varying opinions and research on the subject. However, the company's decision to prioritize extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil was based on their flavor, versatility, and the benefits they offer in terms of health and nutrition. The announcement of the shift towards healthier oils received a positive response from the media, customers, and health influencers. The company's commitment to transparency and their willingness to share the reasons behind their menu changes has resonated with their customer base. The response has been overwhelmingly positive, with many customers expressing excitement and brand allegiance to Sweetgreen for being a leader in the space of healthy food options. In addition to the shift towards healthier oils, Sweetgreen also introduced a new menu offering called Protein Plates. This new addition reflects the company's commitment to evolving their menu to meet the changing needs and preferences of their customers. The protein plates feature larger portions of protein, such as herb-roasted chicken and miso-glazed salmon, with 35 to 50 plus grams of protein. This expansion of the menu beyond salads to include protein-focused options has been well received by customers, providing them with more variety and flexibility in their dining choices. Neman acknowledges the growing consumer focus on protein and the importance of providing a wider range of options for customers who are looking for high-protein meals. The company's decision to introduce protein plates reflects their understanding of the evolving dining trends and the desire for convenient, healthy, and protein-rich meal options. The response to the protein plates has been positive, with customers appreciating the expanded menu offerings that cater to their protein needs. Neman shares that he grew up in a household with an Indian vegetarian diet where protein was not a priority. However, after doing an omega quant test in 2008, he discovered that his omega-369 ratios were off, affecting his brain function. Upon incorporating fish into his diet, he noticed a significant improvement in his brain function. This experience led him to advocate for the prioritization of protein, even among vegetarians, and he has seen a positive response from his family and others in the community. Neman emphasizes the importance of prioritizing protein, especially as people age. He cites the statistic that the average person loses 10% of their muscle mass every decade after the age of 40, leading to issues such as sarcopenia and osteoporosis. He also highlights the role of muscle mass in metabolic health and the absorption of glucose. Neman mentions individuals such as Dr. Donald Layman and Dr. Gabriel Lyon, who have been influential in promoting the significance of protein in the diet. Sweetgreen is committed to supporting regenerative agriculture and working with farmers who prioritize soil health and nutrient density. Neman explains that the focus on regenerative practices not only benefits the environment, but also enhances the flavor and quality of the food. He shares a story about partnering with a chef to grow a unique squash that was bred for flavor, highlighting the company's dedication to promoting sustainable and flavorful ingredients. In their menu, Sweetgreen avoids using refined sugars and instead opts for natural sweeteners such as honey, maple syrup, and organic coconut sugar. Neman emphasizes the importance of clean and pure ingredients, ensuring that their food makes customers feel good without the negative effects of refined sugars. Neman discusses the company's approach to ingredient selection, particularly in the case of grains. Sweetgreen partners with farms and companies that prioritize quality and flavor, such as Lumberg Farms for wild rice and Simply for quinoa. The company aims to offer a range of grains that cater to different preferences and dietary needs. Neman shares the core principles that guide his approach to food and that are reflected in Sweetgreen's ethos. He emphasizes the importance of sleep and hydration, as well as a focus on whole, nutrient-dense, unprocessed foods. Neman encourages a balanced approach, where 80% of the diet consists of whole foods, with the remaining 20% allowing for occasional treats and indulgences. Neman reflects on the early days of Sweetgreen, highlighting the initial premise of the company as a response to the founders' desire for a healthier fast food option. The founders, who had no prior restaurant experience, recognized a need for a product that aligned with their own values and the changing consumer behavior around food. They were driven by a deep sense of curiosity and a commitment to understanding the consumer and their needs. The company's focus on transparency, particularly in showcasing the sourcing of ingredients and food preparation, was a key aspect of their early approach. Neman emphasizes the importance of staying grounded in the product and the customer, as well as the need for continuous evolution and adaptation to meet consumer demands. Neman acknowledges the skepticism and challenges they faced as young entrepreneurs entering the fast food industry. They were often told that their ideas were impractical and not viable for a real business. However, they remained committed to their vision and were determined to disrupt the fast food industry by offering a healthier, more transparent alternative. The company's commitment to transparency and connecting customers to their food choices has been a driving force behind their success. Neman shares that the company's focus on the team member experience, in addition to the customer experience, has also evolved significantly over the years. They have learned to prioritize efficiency and create a more hospitable environment for both customers and team members. Neman discusses the company's recent foray into automation and robotics in their restaurants. They have partnered with a company called Spice, which developed an automated make line for Sweetgreen. This innovation aims to optimize the customer and team member experience by removing repetitive tasks and allowing team members to focus on hospitality and customer interaction. The automated make line allows customers to witness the assembly of their orders, while team members can engage with customers and provide a more personalized experience. Neman emphasizes the importance of preserving and elevating human interaction within the context of technological innovation. Neman reflects on the company's transition to becoming a public company, highlighting the discipline and focus that being public has brought to the business. He emphasizes that the company's mission and commitment to conscious capitalism remain unchanged, and that profitability is important for sustaining impact and growth. The company's long-term vision includes scaling the automated make line to future locations and continuing to innovate and evolve the Sweetgreen offering. Neman expresses excitement about introducing Sweetgreen to new communities and acquiring new customers, particularly with the recent launch of protein plates and oils on the menu. Neman acknowledges the importance of celebrating and supporting companies that are making a positive impact in the food industry. He emphasizes the need to create a world where healthy food is accessible, tasty, and transparent. Sweetgreen's commitment to providing healthy, convenient options and driving impact in the communities they serve is a central focus of the company's mission. He encourages entrepreneurs to stay grounded in their product and the customer, and to be obsessive about solving a specific problem with their product. Neman also emphasizes the importance of staying broad and thinking long-term in the innovation process, while continuously listening to and understanding consumer insights.